Today we're going to be making brownies. Our ingredients are milk chocolate mix, 2 eggs, 2/3 of oil, 1/4 of water. We're going to go ahead and put our mix in the bowl, the 2 eggs. We're going to put our water and our oil, and then we're going to go ahead and start mixing. Make sure you get every single thing from the bowl, because sometimes it gets the mix gets stuck on the bottom of the bowl, so make sure you just keep on stirring. Once everything is mixed, we're gonna go ahead and put it in our pan. Make sure you coat your pan with some oil. And today I'm going to be putting them in a cupcake pan. And then we're going to put it in our oven for 325 for about 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure you're always checking them. And this is our end result. We'll go ahead and see you next time. Thank you for watching.